Hello friends, welcome to Knowit education and training platform. Today I would like to discuss upon the topic of welding. What is welding and what is the main application of welding used in the oil and gas industry? Well, before coming to that, I would like to say a few words on weldability of a metal. Basically, welding is a procedure used for combining of two steel plates by the application of heat and pressure and temperature. Welding is basically employed in the steel structures in the oil and gas industry. Well, it has a huge application in aerospace industry, oil and gas industry, and shipbuilding, and many more industries. So, well, if you are a welding engineer or a welding inspector, you have huge prospects in this field, and there is a huge amount of experience that you can gain in this field. So let us come to the topic weldability of a material. How you do the welding on a particular material and what are the changes that occur in a particular material after the welding has been completed. Well, the first change after the welding done on a steel material is that there will be a metallurgical changes on the particular parent material, in which means that when two metals are joined together by the use of welding electrodes, it will cause them to join as a single joint. The second most important thing of welding is that it increases the strength of a particular joint. Well, welding is also a process in which the joints have extreme strength and extreme soundness, and it can withstand high amounts of loads under varying conditions.